This little Ecoboost engine. According to the owner, it's never been in an accident. It should have a clean Carfax. You should be good on it. The only thing it doesn't go, it's in the pictures, the luggage racks, they do not go with the vehicle. So they will stay here. And then the only other thing that you saw is this piece right back here is cracked. It's just a plastic piece, and they're trying to order it. But if we can't get it in time, then maybe we'll have to ship it to you or something. But that is cracked as of right now, but we'll get that fixed. Just say sport on it. This is a sport model. I wasn't sure in the beginning what it was. It is the sport, but it's loaded.